In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert hyperlinks in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make text in your designs clickable, which is perfect for presentations, interactive PDFs, portfolios, and social posts that point people to websites, forms, or resources. First, open your design and click on the text you want to turn into a link. You can highlight a single word, a short phrase, or an entire sentence, whatever you want visitors to be able to click. To highlight, drag your cursor across the text until it's selected. If you want the whole text box linked, you can quickly select all the text inside it. The key here is making sure the text itself is actively highlighted, not just the text box outlined. If only the box is selected and the text isn't highlighted, the link option may not appear the way you expect. A quick tip: choose clear, descriptive wording for your linked text, like "View the full guide," instead of "click here," so people know exactly where they'll go. Next, look for the link icon in the toolbar that appears when text is highlighted. It usually looks like a small chain link. You'll see it in the floating formatting bar or along the top toolbar. If you don't see the icon, double-check that your text is still highlighted. Canva shows different tools depending on what's selected, and the link option only appears when text or a linkable element is active. Once you click that link icon, a small field opens, ready for your URL. Now paste your link into the field. Use a complete URL, including the HTTPS prefix, to avoid broken links. Clean, short URLs are easier for people to recognize and trust. After pasting, confirm the link to apply it. You'll typically notice a subtle styling change, like an underline or a color shift, indicating the text is now clickable. Hovering over the linked text inside Canva usually shows a small preview of the destination, which is a quick way to verify you pasted the right address. If you spot a typo, simply highlight the text again, open the link field, and update it. Remember, the display text and the destination URL are separate. You can edit the words on the canvas without affecting the link, as long as you don't remove the link itself. That's it. Highlight the text, click the link icon, and paste your URL. With this simple workflow, you can guide your audience exactly where you want them to go, while keeping your design clean and user-friendly.